Welcome to the Soft Tech channel. We'll be just demonstrating this star topology using the Cisco packet tracer. So welcome to the session. First we'll take this 2950 switch, and then we'll just drag and drop some end devices. PC0, PC1, PC2, PC3. Then PC4, PC5, PC6, PC7. Then we'll connect all these devices with the central hub, that is the switch, through this automatic cabling. Let's make the screen a little bit bigger. Now the network looks pretty much like a star, doesn't it? So let's start this configuration of our terminals, the PCs. Let's start from PC0, go to the desktop, then IP configuration. Let's give the IP address 192.168.1.1, just for an example. It's just the default subnet mask is given when you click on it, and the default gateway be 192.168.2.1. Okay, this is for PC0, and then we'll just repeat the process with PC1, and this will be 1.2. The default subnet mask will be the same, and the default gateway will also be the same. Now PC2, this will be PC, I think 3, yes, serially it will be, and the default gateway will be the same throughout. I hope you have remembered the default gateway, that is 192.168.2.1. This is what, this is, which one is that? This PC is PC2. Then I will go repeat the process for PC3. This will be 192.168.1. Will it be 4? Yes, it will be 4, and the default gateway will be just the same. PC3 1.4. For PC4 it will be 192.168.2.1. 192.168.1.5. Default gateway will be just the same as I told you earlier. 0.5. This is 1.6. I've given the IP address in a serial manner, starting with 192.168.1.1. This will be 2.1. I'm just copying for the sake of convenience, so that I don't have to write the address again and again. I can just make minor changes while assigning the new IP address. We have done up till PC5 till 1.6. This means PC6 will be so. Now let's repeat the process for PC6. The IPv4 address is 192.168.1.7. Subnet mask is just the same, and the default gateway is just the same, that is 192.168.2.1 for this network. For this example, I have assigned the default gateway as 192.168.2.1. Now let's repeat the process, the same process for PC7. It will be 8, and just the same again. The default gateway will be this. So we are done with assigning the IPv4 address for all the PCs, I think. So let's check once again. PC1, when you just show this pointer, indicate this pointer at the terminal, it gives you the IPv4 address. IPv4 address, it just shows up. It's 192.168.1.2 for PC1. Let's start from PC0. 1.1, 192.168.1.1. It's 1.2 for PC1. It's just 1.3 for PC2, 1.4 for PC3. It should be 1.5 for PC4, 1.6 for PC5, 1.7 for PC6, and 1.8 for PC7. So we are done with assigning the IPv4 address, and the network is up. All things seem to be okay. So now let's try to send some packets. Okay, let's start from PC0 to, let's say, PC3. PC0 to PC3. It's successful. We just need to delete this, because it just gets clogged. Now PC0 to PC3 is successful. Let's try from PC1 to, what is this one? PC1 to PC5. That is also successful. PC2 to PC7. That's also successful. You can try simulation, but it will take a bit longer. So I am not going for simulation this time around. from PC6 to PC3. Yes, it's successful. Let's try from PC0 to say PC6. That's also successful. That means this network is up and running. I'll just show you one more trick to send packets. Okay, this is PC1, and the IPv4 address is 192.168.1.2. Now let's try to send packets from PC1 to PC5, whose IPv4 address is 1.6. This is 192.168.1.2, and this is 192.168.1.6. So let's just click on this terminal, and then let's go to this command prompt. Now let's ping. Okay, ping to 192.168.1.6. Let's see if it just manages to transmit the data, send the packets. Yes, packet sent is 4, received is 4. No file lost, no packet lost. The time is like minimum is 0 minutes and maximum is no, it's milliseconds. Yes, it's 3 milliseconds. The average time, the maximum time spent on sending packets from PC0 to PC6, I guess, that is 3 milliseconds, and the average time is 1 milliseconds. Let's try one more. PC7 is what? PC7 is 192.168.1.8, I guess. 192.168, it shows here the 1.8, and this PC5 is 192.168.1.6. Let's try to send data packets, I mean, from what was that IP address? 192.168.1.6, and this is 8. Okay, command prompt 190 ping, that is 192.168.1.6. So the packets are sent, 4 packets are sent and 4 packets are received. The minimum time just spent on sending those packets is 0 milliseconds, and the maximum time is 3 milliseconds. Okay, average is 0 milliseconds. Okay, yeah, this means like one thing. This means that this star network is up and running, everything is fine. So that's about it for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Keep watching this channel for more updates, for more tricks. Be with us. Thank you.